Welcome back to Lionheart English, the best place for learning English with a smile.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
I'm Ruby. Nice to meet you.
And I'm Mark, your guide to better English.
Today's topic is very exciting, dating and relationships.
Dating? You mean going out with someone romantically?
Exactly. It is the process of finding a partner.
I am single right now.
Being single means you don't have a partner.
It is hard to find someone nice.
Do you have a crush on anyone?
A crush? You mean a secret liking for someone?
Yes, a secret, strong feeling for a person.
Maybe a small crush on the coffee shop lady.
You should ask her out.
Ask her out? You mean invite her on a date?
Yes, that is the first step in dating.
But I feel very nervous.
You need to get to know her first.
Get to know someone means spending time with them.
Exactly. Start with simple small talk at the coffee shop.
Small talk, like talking about the weather.
Perfect. Keep it light and friendly.
Okay, I am going to ask her out soon. I need a plan.
Good. Now, let's talk about the first date preparations.
I am already feeling nervous just thinking about it.
Feeling nervous is when you are worried and anxious. Just take a breath.
I want to make a good impression.
Make a good impression means she should think you are great.
Yes. So, what should I wear? Should I dress up?
Dress up means wearing smart or formal clothes. Yes, smart, but not too formal.
I'm unsure. Should I buy flowers or chocolates?
Keep it simple for the first date. Maybe a small gift.
I need to practice my small talk topics.
Talk about your hobbies, not your work emails.
I will talk about my dog and my love for soup.
Perfect. That shows your sense of humor.
A sense of humor means I can make her laugh.
Yes, laughter is very important in a relationship.
What if there's an awkward silence?
Just ask an open question. Get to know her more.
I will prepare 3 great questions.
Don't overthink it, Mark. Just be yourself.
I hope she doesn't think I'm a weirdo.
If she laughs, you know you will make a good impression. Let's say the date goes well. Now you are in a relationship.
A relationship is when you are dating seriously.
Correct. But relationships are not always perfect.
What happens when you disagree?
Disagree means you have different ideas. That is normal.
But what if we have an argument?
An argument is a disagreement with anger or raised voices.
I hate arguments. I always lose them.
You should not fight to win. You should communicate.
Communicate means talk openly and honestly.
Yes, it is the most important part of a relationship.
What if one person wants pizza and the other wants pasta?
Then you need to find a compromise.
A compromise? What does that mean?
It means both people agree to meet in the middle.
So, half pizza and half pasta?
Maybe. It means both sides win a little.
And then we can make up after the food.
Make up means to become friends again after a fight.
So, arguments are normal if we communicate well.
Exactly. It shows you both care about the relationship.
I must remember compromise and communication.
Good. What about other issues, like jealousy?
Jealousy? You mean feeling unhappy about another person's success?
In a relationship, it is feeling worried they might like someone else.
Oh, that can make a big argument.
Yes, but it is often about trust.
Trust is believing that your partner is honest.
Exactly. Trust is the foundation of a good relationship.
What about small, silly things, like clothes on the floor?
That is a very common disagreement.
A disagreement is a small argument about a small thing.
Yes, you still need compromise for the socks on the floor.
I will promise to always put my clothes away.
That would be a miracle, Mark.
I want my relationship to be easy and happy.
You must put in the effort. It is a two-way street.
A two-way street? It needs effort from both sides.
You got it. Effort and good communication.
I am ready for the small arguments now. Bring on the socks.
Sometimes things don't work out. It's time for a breakup.
A breakup is when a relationship ends. That is sad.
It can be very sad. It is part of life.
Who should dump who?
To dump someone means to end the relationship with them.
It is hard to be the one who dumps.
It is also hard to be the one who gets dumped.
Yes, you feel like you have a broken heart.
A broken heart is the feeling of deep sadness after a breakup.
I would need a lot of ice cream to fix my broken heart.
You need time to grieve.
Grieve? You mean feel the sadness?
Yes, feel the sadness, but don't stay sad forever.
I need to move on, right?
Move on means to start a new part of your life without them.
How do I move on quickly?
Take a break from dating. Focus on yourself.
A break? Like a vacation from love?
Yes, spend time with your friends and your dog.
I need to focus on my hobbies and my fitness goals.
That's the best way to recover from a breakup.
I hope I never have to use these words.
Just remember that a breakup is not the end of the world.
Okay, I will be strong and move on fast.
Good. And don't immediately start dating again.
Why not? I need a distraction.
You need time to heal your broken heart properly.
What if I delete all our photos? Is that helping me move on?
Yes, clearing your space helps you start fresh.
And I will return all their sweaters.
That's a good way to get closure.
Closure? What is that big word?
Closure means getting a sense of finality about the relationship.
So it's finally finished, and I can move on.
Exactly. No more looking back.
I will use this time to get in shape at the gym.
Perfect. Turn the sadness into motivation.
I will be so strong that I can lift a whole pizza.
That is a great fitness goal, Mark.
And after a few weeks, I can date again.
You can start with some simple small talk at the coffee shop.
I will ask her out for a slow sandwich.
You are always connecting the topics. I love it.
So a breakup is just a fresh start.
That's the best way to look at it. Now that you are ready to date, what do you look for?
I look for someone who loves my dog.
That's important. What about deeper qualities in a partner?
A partner is your boyfriend, girlfriend, or spouse.
Yes. What makes a good long-term partner?
They must have a great sense of humor.
Why is a sense of humor so important?
They can make me laugh when I have a throbbing headache.
That is true. Laughter is great medicine.
They must also be honest.
Honest means always telling the truth. Why is that key?
Because I need to have trust in them.
Trust is the foundation of every strong relationship.
And
They should be supportive.
Supportive means cheering you on in your fitness goals.
Yes, and when I feel under the weather.
Remember, what about someone who is kind and caring?
Caring means they show concern for my well-being.
Exactly. They should care about your feelings.
So, funny, honest, supportive, and caring.
That is a very good list, Mark.
I need to find a partner who helps me stick to a plan.
Maybe your partner will help you get up without the snooze button. Now, what about common interests?
Common interests, like we both love pizza?
That's a good start. But what about hobbies?
It's good if they like to go for a jog with me.
Shared hobbies are a great way to bond.
But what if they are super organized and I am messy?
That's where compromise comes in, remember?
Yes. I will be less messy and they will be more patient.
That sounds like a healthy relationship.
What about financial things? Should they be rich?
The important thing is that they are responsible.
Responsible means they handle their money well.
Yes, and they are mature.
Mature means acting like an adult, not a child.
Exactly. A good partner is a grown-up friend.
So I need to look for trust, fun, and responsibility.
That is the perfect mix for a successful relationship.
I am ready to start my search.
Good luck, Mark. You need to ask her out soon. Mark, you are now an expert in dating vocabulary.
I am ready to ask someone out for a first date.
Just remember to relax and be yourself.
And to use good small talk and my sense of humor.
Very good. And if things get complicated, remember communication and compromise.
And if it ends, it's okay. I will move on fast.
You have learned the most important lessons.
I hope I find a partner who is honest and supportive.
Love is in the air for you, Mark. I can feel it.
Love is in the air is a nice way to say romance is coming.
Now, we have a question for all our listeners.
We want to know about your dating stories.
What is the funniest thing that happened on your first date?
Was it an awkward silence or did you spill your soup?
Tell us in the comments. We need a good laugh.
Thank you for joining us today on Lionheart English.
We wish you the best of luck in your relationships.
Bye for now. Give it a chance.
See you next time.